Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time for StringTechWorkstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have a couple of Martin guitars in. Lots of details coming up on this one. But we also have another Martin guitar. And this one is also a Dreadnought. Koa, top, back, and sides. We will go over the details on both of these guitars. But before we get started on that, I just want to give everybody a heads up on this latest batch of compensated nut and saddle blanks. And both of these guitars will be getting compensated cantilevered bridge saddles and compensated nuts. I just wanted to bring you in to show you the slightly larger profile of these new compensated nut packages, the 16 packs that I have begun shipping out one more time. Let's have a look. So the cross-sectional profile is now a little bit beefier this way, and the overhang for the nut shelf is quite a bit thicker, allowing lots of forgiveness to put the radius on the underside, radius the top, and still have plenty of material left over to cut your slots. The depth is deeper than any fingerboard. The thickness of the leg is thicker than any nut. So I cut them to this length for two reasons. One, it yields 4 nut blanks or 2 extra long saddle blanks. So the idea behind this is to have a universal cross-sectional profile that essentially sets you up for any guitar on the planet, nut or bridge saddle. This set of 4 yields 16 compensated nut blanks, or any combination thereof of nut blanks and cantilevered bridge saddles. 2 saddles for any guitar and 4 blanks for any guitar. Now these can be ordered through my blog, as my Patreon subscribers kind of jumped on board right away when they realized they were available again. There are still sets left. You can order them at the address below. Go to the home page on my blog, scroll down to the PayPal button, and by the way, it's free shipping for continental USA and Canada. Cheers.